eDrawings 2018 introduces many new enhancements to make collaboration with suppliers and manufacturers simpler and more powerful. You now have the option in SOLIDWORKS to embed decals within the part or assembly file. Previously, eDrawings would only display standard decals stored locally. Now every decal can be accurately displayed in eDrawings 2018. You can now instantly see if any markups have been created with a new indicator down in the Markup icon. A brand new quick access toolbar helps you get commands such as open, save, print, and options. And the plus icon next to the component tab gives you a shortcut to quickly open a file. A new open progress indicator keeps you updated on how eDrawings is doing getting the assembly loaded. eDrawings 2018 now supports the very latest graphics pipeline. Make sure Graphics Boost is set to fastest speed to take advantage of the performance improvements. If you need to move components or make measurements, you can now set units to feet and inches. This gives you more flexibility in the day-to-day interrogation of models. Switching back to SOLIDWORKS, model-based definition is a great way to communicate your designs without the need to create 2D drawings. 3D views contain dimensions and other annotations for multiple configurations of the design. SOLIDWORKS 2018 now lets you publish all this information into a single file containing Step 242 file attachments for each configuration. In addition, you can optionally set a password directly in the export dialog. Back in eDrawings 2018, the model is accurately displayed along with the related dimensions and 3D views for a default configuration. The 3D views of other configurations can be shown with the new Show All option. eDrawings also indicates the configuration name at the bottom of the screen to remove any confusion. The attachments specified in SOLIDWORKS are also clearly visible. Each attached step file can be viewed, extracted to disk, or deleted. eDrawings 2018 now fully supports the viewing of Step 242 files. This includes the cross-highlighting of dimensions to the corresponding geometry, helping manufacturers understand the design and reducing the chance of errors. All these enhancements help collaborate through driving smarter decisions across your supply chain.